everyone, it's Miss Jessie back again. Today we will cover a simple grammatical concept, but one with which people still have some trouble. This concept is called the direct address. And no, I'm not talking about where you live. The term direct address comes from the concept of addressing someone. For instance, you might call someone or address them as sir or madam. In grammar, the direct address is whatever you call the person or thing to which you're directly speaking. But we have to remember that the direct address is always set off from the main clause by punctuation on both sides. Let's look at some examples that you probably use every day. Hey Mom, how was your day? Here, the word mom is the word you're addressing the person as. And notice that it's surrounded by punctuation. But remember that we sometimes have nicknames or other words with which we address a person. Consider this example. Well done on the test, you bunch of responsible students. Here, the direct address is quite long, and it certainly doesn't name anyone, but it is how I'm addressing the students. And the direct address isn't only used when addressing other people. You can use it when addressing animals or even inanimate objects. Let's take a look. Be a good boy, kitty, while I'm at the store. Or, oh, Christmas tree, how lovely are thy branches. Remember that surrounding the direct address with punctuation is absolutely essential. You've probably seen the grammar joke with these two sentences. Let's eat, Grandpa, and let's eat, Grandpa. With the comma, you're simply letting Grandpa know that it's time to sit down and eat together. Without the comma, the second sentence is a little frightening. It makes the word Grandpa the direct object, and it means that, well, you want to eat Grandpa. As they say, using commas with the direct address can save lives. That's all for today, everyone. See you soon.